said that she wants to be the next Oprah. She wants to be remembered for being brave. She thinks the only reason to have money is to help others. Isn't that a nice thing?
It is very nice.
Yeah.
Well, so the next Oprah, meaning she wants to...
I think she was very inspired by the work Oprah's done off television. I don't think she wants to be the same career path as Oprah, but Oprah certainly has used her wealth and her power for good things. And I think Gaga now is at that stage in her life where she has more money that she doesn't have to work again. So now she wants to do some really great stuff with charities.
So you still have another month until your show is back on VH1.
I'm going to LA next week. My husband wrote a musical with Barry Manilow called Harmony.
I'm hearing great things
It's
about it.
fantastic. It opened in the Alliance Theatre in Atlanta, got rave reviews. It's going to the Armington Theatre in LA. So I'm going to go out to hang in LA with Bruce for like 2 weeks.
Oh, wow.
I'll be a supportive
We're going to miss you, Rob.
be a housewife. I'm going to stay at the hotel, do no work. And yeah, rest and...
Are you taking the dogs with you?
I am indeed. The 3 little creatures are coming out.
Wow.
I love when his pooches come out.
It's going to be nice and warm in LA. You want to hear a call from someplace that's not quite as warm? Hello, Kim. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
We're doing fantastic. Thank you. Now, tell everyone where you're calling from.
I'm calling from Montana. Harrison, Montana. I'm 33 below zero.
It's 33 below zero.
Oh.
I had to let you know that because you guys talked about how cold you are right now.
Yeah, we're toasty compared to you. Good God. Yeah, I know. That is cold. Kim, I don't think an Elvis Duran shirt will warm you up. I'm going to send you an Elvis Duran shirt and you can save it for springtime, okay?
Sounds awesome.
Now, where in Montana are you again?
Harrison, it's a small town between Bozeman and Butte.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I know that area pretty well. And it is cold. That's why I'm not there today. Kim, hold on 1 second. Don't leave. Hold on. Thank you for listening to us. Please send her let her layer. Send her several Elvis Duran shirts. Danielle, we got the breaking news from Rob Shooter. What are you working on? Maybe we can help you out with these too.
I have another question. So the rumor is that Bruce Jenner is still going through with the sex change and that he wants to look like Kim Kardashian?
Yeah, this is on the cover of, I think, one of the weekly magazines. And this Bruce story has gone round and round. It's been around since the 70s. Kris Jenner, who's still his manager, even though they're separated, is saying the story is absolutely not true. It's a really complicated one for me. I have some sources who say that he is transitioning. I have some that say he isn't. It's a really hard story. You know, I think that live and let live. You know, Bruce, live your life. It must be really hard to be able to do this or want to do this under this huge spotlight that he's on.
Well, that's the thing. You know, if you are living a life where you do need to transition, you can't do it that easily if you're a part of the Kardashian circus.
Right. But the story, I think, went on to say that the family is embarrassed and angry. And I can say from meeting the Kardashians many times, there couldn't be a more supportive family. They really, and I know people dislike this family, and I know Kim gets on everyone's nerves. They really do love each other. They really are a really solid family. So I think that if he is indeed going through this process, I hope they will be really supportive.
All right. How about Zac Efron getting an ear in the mail? A piece of skin. Sorry, not an ear. He said the weirdest thing he's ever received from a fan was a piece of skin. And I think that is just the strangest. Like, who does that? Who pulls off a piece of skin? I don't know.
It's a little out of electric, a little silent.
Where did it come from? Like your butt? Like, where did it come from?
Oh, yes.
He can make a whole person. We were just talking about this David Beckham, his ad for the Super Bowl. The rumor was that his crotch was a fake.
Think you're real cute, huh? Where'd you get those fucking things?